So we're out in our Fiesta today at Combe Racing Circuit. Today we're testing out our oil cooler kit, catch can kit and carbon shims for our brakes. We've got our local race driver, Rob West. He's going to fill you in on some of the stuff that we've been working on.
So we've been here at Combe. Luckily the weather's held off. We've put some really good runs together to test out some of the components on the car that HEL have fitted to the car. Building up incrementally, building up the heat in the car, just monitoring the temperatures as I've been driving around the circuit. Okay, I've managed to get a few really good runs in on track now. Been super impressed with the EBC big brake kit and the carbon shims. The performance is absolutely fantastic. What we're going to look at now is we're going to look at, in terms of oil performance, so we're going to look at oil pressure and oil temperature with and without our oil cooler.
We're back at LHQ now. Super impressed with how the Fiesta performs on track. We've had a chance to go through all of our data and we saw a peak oil temperature of 102 degrees. That's a 15-degree drop from no oil cooler at all fitted. We've also drained our catch can, had a noticeable amount of oil vapor in there, which means it's doing its job. There's a picture of that coming up now. All of these kits are now available and on the website, so check them out.